Another valuable tool for any repair facility or truck, whether you have tents, inflatables, camping tents, or any fabric, is going to be your Stitch-All. It is a handy self-stitching awl. When you unbox it, you're going to see thread coming out of the hole here. I'm going to pull a little bit of the thread out. I'm going to loosen up this knurled nut. I'm going to pull out one of the needles, okay? The needle's going to insert in the middle, and then you're actually going to see that there is a small hole in the handle. I'm going to feed that thread through. I'm going to pull a fair amount of it out, and I'm going to put a little lock on it right here so I don't lose more than I need to from the bobbin. I'm going to feed the thread through the needle. Back through the knurled nut. Whoopsie. And then I am going to tighten it down into place. When I tighten it, it's going to hold that needle now firmly in, and I'm going to have a little bit of thread here to work with, okay? Now, first thing I'm going to do is take my area that might be cut. You know, I'm exaggerating it with 2 pieces here, but let's say you had a seam on a game that you needed to stitch up. I am going to take and push the needle through, okay? And once I get it through, I'm going to find the loop of the needle, the loose part of the thread, and I'm going to pull that completely through so that I have that to work with as I'm stitching down. Now, as you can see, I have this leading off. As I pull back on the needle, it's going to open up a small loop. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and run my thread through this loop to get it started. Easier said than done. Okay, now I'm going to pull the needle back through here. I'm going to come over, you know, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. And again, as I pull back on the needle, I'm going to open up that loop, and I am going to feed through. Okay. I'm going to come over and just continue that same process for as long as I have to go to start creating the stitches. I can now, if I wanted to, continue down all the way to the end of the vinyl with this same process, okay? But that'll take a little bit of time. So I'm gonna just terminate it here and just show you as an example. We have a nice stitch there, okay? If I was to open this up, it's gonna be a good strong stitch right here. So if I went down this whole thing, I'm going to have a stitch similar to a shirt or a pair of pants, and that is going to provide a very good, strong, this thread is very dense, repair. If somebody wanted to go a little bit further than that, you could actually take and put a glue patch over the thread area to provide an even more permanent repair. But whether it's the Stitch-All, vinyl glue with vinyl, the Patch-All, these are all great things to have in your arsenal for any type of repair that might come up throughout the season.